Canning recipes, preserving flavors and memories. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the flavorful world of canning recipes. If you love preserving food or are curious about how it's done, you're in the right place. Let's explore this traditional method of preserving foods, understand its importance, and learn some interesting facts about it. Canning is a method of preserving foods for long periods by packing them in airtight containers and heating them to a temperature that destroys microorganisms that cause food to spoil. During this process, the jars are sealed to create a vacuum, ensuring that no bacteria can enter and spoil the food. Canning can be used for a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, meats, and seafood. The concept of canning was first developed in the early 19th century as a response to the need for reliable food preservation methods. It was a groundbreaking invention that revolutionized the way food was stored and consumed, especially during long voyages and in regions with harsh climates. This section will take you through a brief history of how canning evolved over the years. 1. Water bath canning. Ideal for high-acid foods like fruits, tomatoes, jams, jellies, and pickles. 2. Pressure canning. Best for low-acid foods like vegetables, meats, and poultry. Each method has its own set of guidelines and safety measures which are crucial for ensuring the food remains safe and edible. Here, we will share a few simple and popular canning recipes. We'll walk you through the process step by step, highlighting tips and tricks to make your canning experience successful and enjoyable. Canning is safe when done correctly. In this section, we will go over the essential safety tips, including how to avoid contamination and how to ensure your canned goods are stored properly. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into the world of canning recipes. Whether you're preserving your garden's bounty or trying to capture the taste of your favorite seasonal fruit, canning is a wonderful way to extend the life of your food. Happy canning, and we hope to see you again in our next culinary adventure.